This is an unboxing of the Victorinox Swiss Army knife, the Huntsman Black. It's the only Swiss Army knife I have in black color, and the model number is 1.37. The model number is 1.3713.3. 1.3713.3. 1.3713.3. Huntsman Black. Barcode, made in Switzerland. This, I think, is gonna be probably my favorite Swiss Army knife. Huntsman, I got it in black, especially I wanted it to be different. Made in Switzerland, so let's see what's inside the box. I got it new, so hopefully the box was never opened. And let's see. Okay, oh, black. Oh, bit of oil marks, but wow, it's so stylish. These oil marks, they are very visible on the black. Oh wow. And here this line, they all have this kind of line. I think it's from the paper. Maybe when the paper is sitting next to it. And the oil, it's the oil and the paper probably. But wow, this is so stylish. So stylish. I mean, compared to the red, each one has its own appeal. But wow, okay. Let's see the paperwork for Huntsman Black. Can opener, cup lifter, oiling instructions. It's the standard as in most of the oiling instructions about the tweezers, pretty much standard paperwork. Okay. Yeah, I think this is the paper. It's oil. Yeah, it's not scratch. Oh, it's so really feels super solid. I don't know why. I like this one because of the color, probably. Color makes it feel solid. There's a lot of oil marks here. It's just the oil from the tools to prevent rust. The oil will go away eventually. So okay, what we have here, we have the ring. We have the keychain ring and this holder. There is the traditional toothpick. I like the color, really. Very tight tweezers. Okay. So stylish, really. I think the Huntsman in black is much nicer than the Huntsman in camouflage or red, if it exists. I think it exists. This is an oiling point, and another oiling point. You can use mineral oil. They sell the oil also. Okay. So the corkscrew for shoelaces, untying rope, lots of other activities, not only for bottles. Oh, there is a hook. A bit hard to open this one. Parcel hook. This is a multi-purpose hook. I use it to carry bottles of packs of water around. That's really convenient. And the owl for sewing, making holes in wood and plastic, different materials. Very sharp. So the back side, this is the back side. Okay. Let's see what's on the front side. Let's start from here. There is a small blade with some lines on it. Don't know what's with the lines. It's just oiling. Very sharp. And the large blade. It really goes well with the black Victorinox Swiss-made stainless. Okay, Officer Swiss stainless. Have to be very careful with this blade, it's really sharp. They are all really so sharp when they come new. Okay, what else is there? So we have a nice saw blade. Pretty good size. I think this is the 91mm. So they are more or less the same, but you can really use it well. Saw blade. And this also you can use it as a screwdriver, the tip here. So yeah, almost cut my finger there. And then we have the scissors. The spring can be replaced. Could use the scissors for a lot of things, but okay. And can opener and flat or Phillips head screwdriver. And the cup lifter with the flat head screwdriver. Pretty nice, this one. Locks halfway and really powerful locking there. This is the Victorinox Huntsman Black. The main reason to have this is to get the saw. The saw could be useful to cut wood, plastic or other materials. And it also has two blades, pretty standard, but I like the color.